Okay, so today we're going to be multiplying matrices. So to multiply a matrix, you must first check the dimensions. To check the dimensions, you would use the formula A by B and B by C. If the two B's are the same number, then you can multiply. But if they are different numbers, you cannot. So what you do to start multiplying is you would multiply rows by columns. So what you would do is check the dimension, so 2 by 2, so the B's are the same. So we can multiply. So what I would do is make a whole nother matrix, do 5 times -1 plus 7 times 4. So that's the first row and first column. To get the start the second row, I would take 2 times -1 plus 3 times 4. That will give us our first row once we get this solved and added. So for the second column, we would take and do 5 times 8 plus 7 times 6 to get the second column for the first row. For the second row, you would do 2 times 8 plus 3 times 6. So that gets you your basic information of what you need to start solving. So what you would do next is start multiplying. So 5 times 1 is -5 plus 7 times 4, 28. 2 times -1, -2 plus 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 7 times 6, 42. Then you have 2 times 8, 16 plus 3 times 6, 18. That will start leading you to the process of what you need to get your final answer. So to get your final answer, you would do -5 plus 28, which is 23. -2 plus 12, which is 10. 40 plus 42, 82. 16 plus 18, which is 34. So that would be your answer to the first matrix 5, 7, 2, 3, and the second matrix -1, 8, 4, and 6. Now, if you get a problem like this where you have different B's, like I said before, you would not be able to multiply them because you do not know what your answer would be. These two numbers gives you the dimensions, gives you the idea of if you can solve. While the first one, A and C, would give you your dimensions.